This is an octopus spy. Its tentacles synchronize with the seaweed's movement. In the dangerous ocean, most mimicry is for survival. A toxic flatfish hidden in the sand catches the mimic octopus's attention. Mimicking toxic creatures helps avoid predators. It gathers its tentacles to mimic the flatfish's swimming. Coincidentally, it's a male flatfish looking for a mate. The mimic octopus's imitation attracts the bachelor, mistaking it for a female flatfish. It follows closely. Thank you for watching. Time limit. Subscribe for all.